How to use. Take out the main part and all accessories. Unfold the main frame. There are two black covers on the left and right sides of the instrument. Unscrew the screws with a tool. Remove the black cover. There are 4 screw holes inside. Screw the 4 screws on respectively to fix the instrument. Then put the black cover on. Screw on the screws. Install the same on the other side. Hold the machine screen upright. Secure the handle brackets on both sides with screws. Attach the height measuring rod bracket to both sides of the back of the instrument with screws separately. Attach the measuring rod bracket. Connecting the measuring rod wiring. Install the tray. There are 4 screw holes above the power port. Align the screw holes on the tray with the screw holes on the instrument and then fix it with 4 screws. Take out the printer host. Gently open the printer cover. Install the 2 ink cartridges on the printer and then close the cover. Open the paper catch tray of the printer outlet. First plug the printer power cord. Put the matching paper into the printer inlet. Note that the paper upside down. The color part on the top. Open the cover. Put in the thermal printing roll paper, paper mouth facing up over the mouth of the machine bit, and then close the cover. Connect the 2 electrode handles to the ports on the left and right sides of the instrument respectively. Connect the power supply and turn on the main switch. Initialize the system. Wait for 10 seconds and then enter the standby state. Select Mobile Report or PC Report. Enter the activation code 093697 to show the success of activation. Enter the default password 6 zeros. Click on Basic Settings to enter the settings. Language settings, time setting, length unit. Click cm or feet to convert the display unit. The system default is cm. Click on Measure colors. Follow the interface prompts to operate. Speaker settings. Wi-Fi settings. Tap Wi-Fi settings. Click Network search. Search for the corresponding Wi-Fi name. Click the Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password through the keyboard and tap Confirm settings. You can connect to it and you can see whether the connection is successful or not in the main page. Advanced settings. Click Be a test to enter. Click plus new to add a new customer. Enter the customer's information. Click on ID. Click age. Click sex. Tap height. Click test in the lower left corner to enter the weight test. Scan the QR code with your cell phone to view the test report. If you need the test results, click the print icon. The printer prints out the report. View the tested report. Click Be a Test to enter the interface. Search for the tester's ID. Click on the tester's ID and then click Open. You can see the tester's test records. Click on the record and then click Delete. Click to confirm the deletion of the test record can be deleted. Be a Test to enter the interface. Search for the tester's ID. Click on the tester's ID, then click Delete. Click to confirm the deletion of the tester's information can be deleted. A quick way to find tester information. Tap Find to enter the interface. Enter the tester's ID. The screen will display the tester's test record. Search for the tester's ID. Click Test. You can enter the test again.